we discuss about plate tectonic theory. The plate tectonic theory explains how Earth's outer shell is divided into large plates that move slowly over the mantle. This idea developed from Alfred Wegener's continental drift theory, 1912, which suggested that continents were once joined as a supercontinent called Pangaea. His theory lacked proof until the 1960s when scientists discovered seafloor spreading and magnetic patterns on the ocean floor. These findings showed that new crust forms at mid-ocean ridges and sinks at trenches, proving that Earth's surface is constantly changing. Today, the plate tectonic theory helps students understand how earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountains are formed, making it one of the most important ideas in geology. The plate tectonic theory was propounded by several scientists collectively in the 1960s, building upon earlier ideas. The concept was based on Alfred Wegener's continental drift theory, 1912. The mechanism of seafloor spreading was proposed by Harry Hess, 1962. Wine and Matthews, 1963, provided magnetic evidence supporting plate movement. John Tudor Wilson, 1965, explained different types of plate boundaries and introduced the idea of transform faults. Seafloor spreading. It is the process by which new oceanic crust is formed at mid-ocean ridges as magma rises from the mantle, cools, and spreads outward, pushing older crust away from the ridge. Paleomagnetism. It is the study of the record of Earth's magnetic field preserved in rocks, which provides evidence for seafloor spreading and the movement of tectonic plates over time. There are three types of boundary. First convergent, second divergent, and last one is transformed. First we discuss about convergent boundary. Definition: it is a type of plate boundary where two tectonic plates move toward each other. Subduction: when an oceanic plate meets a continental plate, the denser oceanic plate subducts, sinks beneath the lighter continental plate. Collision: when two continental plates collide, both plates crumple and fold, forming mountain ranges. Destruction of crust: old crust is destroyed as it melts in the mantle at subduction zones. Alternate name, also called a destructive plate boundary, because crust is destroyed in this process. Volcanic activity: melting of the subducted plate leads to volcano formation on the overriding plate. Earthquakes: subduction and collision cause strong earthquakes along the boundary. Trenches: deep oceanic trenches form at subduction zones. Examples of oceanic continental collision: Nazca Plate and South American Plate and mountains. Examples of continental collision: Indian Plate and Eurasian Plate, Himalayas. Now we have divergent boundary. Definition: a divergent plate margin is where two tectonic plates move away from each other. Formation of new crust: as plates separate, magma rises from the mantle, cools, and forms new oceanic crust. Mid-ocean ridges: most divergent boundaries occur under the ocean, creating mid-ocean ridges. Rift valleys: on land, divergence forms rift valleys where the crust stretches and breaks. Volcanic activity: rising magma causes volcanic eruptions along the ridge or rift zone. Earthquakes: shallow earthquakes occur due to fracturing of the crust. Seafloor spreading: continuous divergence causes seafloor spreading, pushing continents apart. Example, Oceanic North American Plate and Eurasian Plate Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Example, Continental African Plate splitting East African Rift Valley. Alternate name, also called a constructive boundary, because new crust is created here. Last one is transformed boundary, which also called conservative boundary, as in this neither destruction nor construction happen. Definition: a transform plate boundary is where two tectonic plates slide past each other horizontally. No crust formation or destruction. Unlike divergent or convergent boundaries, no new crust is created and none is destroyed. Shearing movement: the plates move in opposite directions or at different speeds, causing intense friction. Earthquakes: the friction and stress cause sudden slip movements, leading to powerful earthquakes. No volcanic activity: since there is no subduction or magma rise, volcanoes are rare at transform boundaries. Fault lines: these boundaries form faults, cracks, or fractures in Earth's crust. Horizontal displacement: landforms and rivers may appear offset or displaced along the fault. Example, San Andreas Fault in California, between the Pacific Plate and North American Plate. Oceanic example, Alpine Fault in New Zealand and North Anatolian Fault in Turkey. Alternate name, also known as a conservative plate boundary, because crust is neither created nor destroyed.